Mr. Painter, after the presentation is over, we would like you to say a few words to us in a simple enough way for the common people to understand what your machine can offer. We will try now to make some collaborations with some agencies. In order to allow this construction to go into industrial production and to be given to the common citizen, me and us, our work is purely scientific. We do not have the possibility to build factories, production units, because we are simple researchers. I think this is the work of others, i.e. to build some factories for the production of this machine, anyway. I will try to have some discussions with some agencies. I will pursue it, that is, to achieve this goal, that is, to have this machine fall on the Greek citizen and then on all of humanity at a time when the energy crisis is at its maximum. What do you think the common Greek citizen can benefit from using this machine? I imagine you have already used it in your home. For my use, it can be promoted to offer a lot and ease the pain, let's say. And the problems faced by the Greek citizen and the citizens of the world in general. From what we know, this machine is completely silent. The main thing is that it does not pollute the environment. We didn't see any exhaust here to emit pollutants, and the rest is completely ecological. And a key feature, a big advantage it has is that it does not need huge areas like the photovoltaics, the wind turbines that are need thousands of acres to be installed. This machine has these dimensions. With these dimensions, we can get large power, such as from 50 to 100 kilowatts. And solves many problems, I believe, let's say the Greek citizens. And to humans in general. With the power that you told us of 50 to 100 kilowatts, it can actually work very easily, powering an entire apartment building, maybe even more, of course. Only the invention is not enough here and the experimental construction. This must go into industrial production to enter the inappropriate protection systems. So also machine control. And it is completely silent, i.e. it has nothing to do with conventional thermal engines that permanently need oil and pollute the atmosphere with their waste from the exhausts. Here the machine has neither exhaust nor anything, that is, it is a silent and gentle form of production of electricity that can offer many futures to the world. Do you think that the justification for this pioneering invention of yours will come from Greece or from some foreign country? Because lies are bad. All the scientists, the Greeks who have been promoted abroad, starting from Georgios Papanikolaou and reaching until recently Albert Bourla. They are exactly, I don't know. This is a bad feature for our country. Where all the inventions, they leave with mathematical precision on the outside, as George Papanikolaou said with the pap test. He had to go to America and have it produced and manufactured. The pap test, that is, the vaccine for uterine cancer. Next we had a great Greek scientist, Santorini, a professor at the Polytechnic, who had designed the centimeter radar. Suddenly we saw that the radar is manufactured by the English company DEG, and this thing is a disaster for our country, for our homeland, for all the great inventions to go abroad. So something has to be done. I can't stand what is happening that I see and is happening. And with Artemis anti-aircraft, I don't know if you have in mind. They produce it abroad, and that is what I believe is the curse for our country, and I don't know who is responsible for this. That is, for me, those who should be held accountable are responsible. These great inventions cannot go abroad by themselves, someone always intervenes. And they drive them. Abroad, this will not happen with us. I asked you if you expect your own invention to be highlighted in Greece or in some foreign country? I am my dream, my vision. In this country, the homeland of heroes, because our country has produced heroes and great scientists such as Aristotle and many others. Nevertheless, I don't want whatever money they give me abroad. I believe that this invention will not be driven. We will sit here and we will fight, and he will stay in the country. I am sure that he will stay in the country, but you understand what we want, and battles are not made with lies and with simple things and wishes. We will fight. We will also cooperate with foreign companies. We are not saying that we will not cooperate, but whatever is done will be done in the Greek space, in our homeland.
Θα συνεργαστούμε και με ξένες εταιρείες, δεν λέμε ότι δεν θα συνεργαστούμε. Αλλά ό,τι γίνει θα γίνει στο χώρο τον ελλαδικό, στην πατρίδα μας.
The